In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a Zoom meeting in full screen mode on Windows. If you prefer a clean, distraction-free view in your meetings, full screen is the quickest way to focus on the content and the people speaking. It hides extra clutter and lets Zoom take up your entire display, which is especially helpful during presentations or when you want to minimize desktop distractions. Start by opening the Zoom desktop app on your Windows computer and join your meeting as you normally would. You can join from the home screen, a calendar link, or a meeting ID, whatever you typically use. Once you're actually inside the meeting window, you're ready to switch to full screen. Look to the top right corner of the Zoom window for the double arrow icon labeled Full Screen. Click it once, and Zoom will immediately expand to fill your screen. As an alternative, you can double-click anywhere inside the Zoom meeting window to toggle full screen mode on or off. When full screen is active, you'll notice the title bar disappears and Zoom occupies the entire monitor. The meeting controls remain accessible, but may become more minimal, floating near the bottom. On Windows, your taskbar may be hidden behind the Zoom window to keep things tidy while you're focused on the meeting. If you need to exit full screen, you have two simple options. Click the Exit Full Screen icon in the top right corner of the window, or press the ESC key on your keyboard. Either action returns Zoom to a resizable window without ending the meeting, so you can quickly check other apps or move the window around as needed. If you'd like Zoom to enter full screen automatically every time you join or start a meeting, you can enable a setting so you don't have to think about it. In Zoom, click your profile picture in the top right corner and choose Settings. In the General tab, check the option that says Enter full screen automatically when starting or joining a meeting. From now on, each meeting will open in full screen by default. If you change your mind later, just return to the same setting and uncheck it. A quick tip if you use multiple monitors. Drag the Zoom window to the display you want before entering full screen. Zoom will fill whichever monitor the window is on when you toggle full screen. And remember, a fast double-click on the meeting window is a handy way to switch in and out whenever you need. That's all you need to confidently use full screen mode on Windows.